Fall bothering you? Looking for a healthy and delicious snack that nourishes your body from within? Then this Hairfall Laddoo is just what you need. Made with nutrient-rich seeds, crunchy nuts, naturally sweet dates and pure ghee. These laddoos are packed with protein, healthy fat, iron, zinc, omega-3 fatty acids, calcium and vitamin E. They help support healthy hair, nourishes the scalp, provide long-lasting energy, promote healthy skin and make wholesome guilt-free snack for the entire family. Let's make this nutritious Hairfall Laddoo together. Dry roast the pumpkin seed, sunflower seed, flax seed, black and white sesame seed on a low flame until aromatic. Allow them to cool completely. Grind the roasted seed into a coarse powder and keep it aside. In the same pan, heat 1 tablespoon ghee and roast chopped almond, cashew, walnut and pistachio until golden. Add the remaining 1 tablespoon ghee and cook the soaked dates for 2 to 3 minutes until they become soft and form a sticky paste. Add the ground seed powder, roasted nuts and dates. Mix everything well until evenly combined. Let the mixture cool slightly. Grease your palm with a little ghee and shape into laddoos. And that's it. Your healthy Hairfall Laddoos are ready to enjoy. Have one laddoo daily. These Hairfall Laddoos are delicious way to include nutrient-rich ingredients in your diet. If you enjoyed this healthy recipe, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more delicious recipe. See you in the next video. Happy cooking!